Hey fellas, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will learn how to make money online by teaching with your favorite subject. So online tuition is becoming increasingly popular with more educational institutions adopting online learning courses, and more students are also seeking online help for their classes. It is very popular these days. In what is now becoming an increasingly competitive market, it's important to find ways to increase your earning potential as an online tutor. So whether this is online job, is your full-time job or career or a side hustle, there are numerous ways to make money with tutoring online. It is just so happens that you are at the right place too, because the following list of tips will help you grow your income as well as your status as an online tutor. As a tutor, you will possess expertise in certain subjects, so that you need to choose which of these areas you will offer tutoring for. If you are determined and to increase your income, then you should consider signing up to a different online platform, as this will all you need to reach out to more potential customers or potential students as an online tutor, because that is what you can offer for the teaching ship. So the services to the corporate organization is also another part where you can be a part of their organization from remotely, and then you can also earn from the home. In most cases, tutors get paid after every session, so which often leads to a fluctuating income. A great way to increase your earnings in a stabilized manner, then you can build a steadier tuti ruta, which is also to create lesson packages and then sell the lesson packages on the package basis to every student or to the whole class. So guys, go ahead, and if you have any specialty subject that you always wanted to teach to someone else, then this is the opportunity for you as a side hustle to earn extra income. Thank you guys.